What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today, y'all already know, I'm just gonna be talking about coffee. So for those of y'all who know me personally, because I don't think I've said this on my channel, I really love having lattes every day, just like, you know, the average American, you know, the girl that goes to Starbucks. I never really liked Starbucks to begin with, so that was an out for me. But my outlet was Tierra Mia, and it still is. But today we're gonna be trying something extremely healthy, extremely good for you. It's by RYZE, and isn't it cute? It's just the cutest thing. I love the packaging. It looks very aesthetic. It looks very healthy, to be honest. It's funny because like when you do packaging, sometimes you can tell that it has healthier ingredients just by the packaging, like the colors, the aesthetics. Yeah, this is cute. I love it. So as you did see, this does say mushroom coffee. And I know that sounds nasty. It sounds nasty, but let's give it a try. I'm very open. I already eat mushrooms. I didn't like them at first, but my mom used to cook with them a lot. So I started like just eating them because it was in a lot of my food. And I cook with mushrooms. I can't say that I don't like them, and I can't say that I really do. I just still cook with them. So I guess that I do like them. I don't know. Mushrooms has an interesting taste. So, you know, I'm gonna let y'all know how this tastes and see if it gives you a feel of like, you know, your average latte or my average latte, because I know what I like. But yeah, let's get into it. While I make this, I'm gonna tell you how to make it. I'm gonna be making it a little bit more warm on the hot side today. I really like hot lattes at home, but when I'm out, I really like iced lattes, but light ice. I don't know why. That's just how it is. After I make the cup and I try it, I'm gonna tell you all the benefits that it has in it just by reading the back, basically. I do want to give a shout out to RYZE. Thank you so much for sending this to me and having me try it out. I'm super excited. So we're gonna start off by doing 8 to 10 ounces of hot water. So while that's boiling, I guess I could just start telling you now what it has in it. So I'm gonna label the top ingredients and say what they're good for, because that's what it says on the package. I've never heard of cordyceps, but there's cordyceps in here, and it's good for stamina. Lion's mane, I recently just found out about that before they sent me this. My boyfriend's mom told me about it, and we have like you know, one of like supplements that you can drop into your mouth under your tongue and it goes into your bloodstream. She gave that to us, so she said it was really good for focus, and that's what it says on here, so that's good to know. We have something called reishi. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, and I still don't know what that is. So it said it's really good for stress relief. And side note, I am about to be on my cycle, so the hormones have just been hormoning, and I can't really say that I'm stressed, but I feel like I am for no reason. I don't know if the girls get it, but if you get it, let me know. We have shiitake, and I think that's for the mushroom specifically, because I've heard of shiitake mushrooms. It says it's good for immune support. And then we have turkey tail, never heard of that, but it's good for healthy digestion. And we have king trumpet, and that says it's good for anti-inflammation. So they're saying our suggested use is to drink it daily, and over time, I'm gonna read this because they said it very well. Over time, the adaptogens in our blend will balance your body and mind. Use 2 servings per day for the first week to accelerate results. Ooh. If this is really good, I'm scared to use 2 servings just because when stuff is really good, I like to preserve it. It also says that it has less than half the caffeine of a cup of coffee. So that's really good as well, because caffeine is not that great for us, but we drink it anyway, like a lot of things. It says it delivers calm energy that promotes focus, productivity, adrenal health, and yes, happiness. The ingredients have been studied for thousands of years and found to enhance the brain function, boost immunity, and give balanced energy that keeps you shining all day long. So this is exciting. They put their suggestions on here for you so you can figure out how you like it the best. It says that there's tons of room to play. RYZE pairs great with any kind of creamer, but of course we recommend ours. Add in a heaping scoop of RYZE creamer for the healthiest yet most decadent latte. I don't know if that's what that meant. I gotta look up that word. Decadent latte around. Craving something sweeter? Try honey or a sprinkle of cinnamon. Your normal coffee or protein shake won't complain if you add RYZE in there either. Go for it, do you. Just make sure to keep stirring as our natural ingredients may settle after mixing. Period. Love it, love it, love it. So now it's time to open it up. We're gonna use my Hello Sweet Sunshine cup today because it's actually been really cold in California for no reason. I don't know what this smells like. I do smell a little coffee. I don't know, I'm not gonna hold y'all. This kind of stink. Here's the thing. When you're doing something that's healthy, lots of the time, it usually doesn't taste good. It usually smells bad. Kobe. Shush. Kobe. It usually doesn't taste good. It usually smells bad. But it's good for you. So I'm curious. Okay. We're gonna pour 1 tablespoon. This is what it looks like. I don't like the smell. It smells so different. I can't even. I do not know, but we're gonna jazz this up. I'm gonna put. Okay, I'm gonna try it naturally first, and give y'all the real deal. I'm so nervous. I'm scared to do it with a straw because I'm gonna burn my tongue. I almost choked. It doesn't taste like anything. It doesn't taste like anything. That's funny. Yeah, it doesn't taste like anything. Okay, so that's a good thing. We're gonna jazz it up with the Trader Joe's Maple Oat Brown Sugar Creamer. Love this thing. Yeah, this is actually like the healthiest creamer I've tried before. If I try to do the serving size, 1 tablespoon, which I never do. I do about 2 tablespoons, maybe 3. Oh. I'm gonna try it with 1 tablespoon of this. Yeah, it needs another tablespoon or so. But you know what? I'm actually gonna put honey in it and call it a day. It's hard to sweeten this up. Okay, I'm gonna pour a little bit more of this, but if I can't, if it's not like sweet after this, I can't put no more. I feel like that was a lot.
Hey y'all, so it's been about a week of me drinking the RYZE coffee, mushroom coffee, and honestly I prefer it plain. I don't like it with creamer, honey, none of that. I prefer it plain, and I just solely love it for the benefits. If you're a plain coffee drinker, like straight black coffee, I definitely think you can handle drinking this. This wouldn't be for everybody who's trying to get a fix for their everyday latte, but health-wise, put your health first. It's really good.
So here's the thing, like I said, with healthy stuff, would I want to drink this every day? Is gonna give me my coffee fix? As of today, trying it right now, I don't think so. But I am really big on health, so I do know that this is healthy. I probably end up mixing it into the coffee that I make at home. This right here, I get this from Trader Joe's. I love this. This is my staple when I'm at home. Every morning when I wake up, that's the go-to. I probably mix it with that to give me the health benefits that I need. You can sweeten it up as much as possible. I would just say watch out for how much sugar you're consuming, carbs you're consuming, if you're like worried about that. So for me, this is a yes on the health benefits. As far as taste goes, I just don't want to overdo it with my creamer right now. And I already had me a latte earlier today, so I don't want to do too much. But this is something I do want to incorporate to my everyday to kind of see a difference, and I will come back and review and let you guys know how I feel energy wise, productivity wise. So yeah, I would love to try this with the RYZE creamer and see how that tastes as well. I wonder like what that tastes like, if it's like sweet at all. And I'm a sweet girl. I have a sweet tooth all the time. So the stuff I drink is pretty sweet. That's why I'm scared to know like how much they put in my drink at the place that I buy it from, Tia and Mia, because it's so good. Like I can only imagine how much sugar they put in my stuff. Nonetheless, thank you so much, RYZE. I'm gonna go enjoy this in my bed while I watch The Resident on Netflix. And those of you who are interested in trying something for your health, and if you're not a stickler on the taste, I do have a discount code. I'll link it because I forgot what it was. Check the link in my bio for this to purchase. Next, I'm gonna be trying their overnight oats, which I'm super excited about. I've never had overnight oats before. I've always been like a yogurt parfait girl, so I'm excited to try that because I plan on doing a little different things. So we'll see how that goes. You guys have a good rest of your day, night, wherever you are, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!
The sun is shining, it's a new day.